Hello, this is a short video to help you to achieve certain tasks, and that is to firstly open Office 365, create a resource, save that resource, share it with colleagues, and then share it with students. So firstly, how do you actually get to Office 365? Well, we start off here with, this is the Google Chrome search page. This works just as well with any of the other search engines, but I'll type in Office 365. Okay, and go to the website. Now, as I say, this works with any of the browsers, and what you'll get is you'll get to a page that's something similar to this. Okay, and this section here will be populated with it may not have as many icons in there as this particular one, but one of the good places to start is up here with what's called the waffle. We click in there, and this will give you a list of the applications that are available to you. Okay, if you click onto this button here, it will give you a much bigger list of things that you can install that you are able to use on a regular basis. But we want to create a document, so I'll go back and then I'll go to the main screen. Now this plus here, this is the create button, so if I click on this, and it will give us a list of what's available straight away. I'll choose a very simple resource to create. Okay, document in Word. Okay, so this will open up, and while that's loading, you may notice this is actually a domain that belongs to the Southport Learning Trust, and from a GDPR point of view, everything is maintained within this. It's a data secure place. Okay, information doesn't go outside of this domain. So let's create a simple document. I'll just produce a few lines of text, but one thing I think is particularly useful with this version is the dictate function. Okay, and if we click up here, this is the function that will allow me to dictate straight onto the page, which, if you are a slow typist as I am, comma, it will dramatically speed up the rate at which you are able to produce resources, full stop. New line, and it's a very helpful feature. Pause dictation. Okay, so we've switched that off, and now we are actually already saved this document. Because this is the Office 365 web version, this document has already been saved. So let's go and see whereabout it's been saved, and we come back up here to the waffle, and we go to OneDrive, and there is the document that I just created. Okay, and one of the things that I can do with that is I can rename it. And give it a more suitable name, so I will change it to test document 12. Okay, so that's now got a new name that is going to be easier for me to find it. So I'll open up that document. Okay, and yep, that all looks good. Now the next thing that we want to be able to do is to share it. One of the great things about using this particular version of Office 365 is the easy ability to share. There's a button up here, okay, and if we click on here, we can now share this document with any person or any group of people within the Southport Learning Trust. So just to give you one quick example, if I type in the name of a colleague, okay, and it will locate that person. I can click on there. I can add as many other colleagues as I want. And as far as sending it to students, what I can also do is I can type in the name of a group of students in here. It might be a class, or it might be a form group, a tutor group. If I type that in there and then I click send, now what it actually sends is it sends a link. Okay, and the link is a better thing to send rather than an actual document, because it avoids you having to have enormous emails that take a long time to load. Okay, so I will send this to show you how it works, and there we go. So what we have now done is we've accessed Office 365, we've created a simple resource, we've saved it, and we've sent it to colleagues, and I've showed you how to send it to students. Any other questions about the material in this video, do email me or catch me as you see me walking around the building. Thanks a lot.